Hello and welcome back to the channel. The headlamp I brought you today is something else. It's the Fenix HL17R. It's compact, versatile, and to be honest, it's a lot of fun. With up to 500 lumen of output and a beam distance that can reach 109 yards. And it also has 9 lighting modes and adjuster control. This little light packs a punch in a pocket-sized design. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Turn on our notification bell. This way you get our videos as soon as we upload them. Whether you're commuting, camping, or working under the hood, the HL17R is ready for anything. It puts out 500 lumens with a beam that reaches 109 yards. And it's not just white light. You've got reading light, red and blue flashing for emergencies, full RGB, and even Aurora mode. The HL17R is unique with button operation, rotation selection, and gesture control. Like a standard headlamp, you can use the button to turn it on and off and change the outputs. Or when your hands are full or dirty from work, you can use gesture control to turn it on and off with a simple wave. And it also comes in 2 colors, black or white. Even though it weighs only 2.29 ounces, with the battery, the HL17R doesn't cut corners. One of the standout features of the Fenix HL17R is its innovative mounting system. The dual-section elastic headband isn't just lightweight. It's designed to disperse pressure, give you a comfortable, almost weightless feel, even after hours of use. The quick release mount is another game changer. With a simple snap, you can detach the light from the headband and use it in different ways. No tools, no hassle. Clip it into your backpack, pocket, or take advantage of the magnetic base to stick it to any metal surface for instant hands-free lighting. It runs on a built-in 1000 mAh battery, giving you up to 96 hours and 50 minutes on eco mode. With an IP66 rating for water and dust proof, plus impact protection up to 1 meter, this little guy is tough, reliable, and ready to go wherever you need it. Now let's take it outside and see what this bad boy can do. For the main light, high mode is 500 lumen and 109 yard throw. This is your max output and can run for 2 hours and 50 minutes. Medium mode is 150 lumen and 60 yard throw. This one is great for night walks and can run for 5 hours and 30 minutes. Low mode is 30 lumen with 27 yard throw. Great for indoor usage and can run for 23 hours. Eco mode is 5 lumens and 10 yard throw. This is your maximum runtime for 96 hours and 50 minutes. And the ring light, reading mode is 15 lumen. From its name, we know it's great for reading and it can run for 8 hours and 55 minutes. Red light is 3 lumens, great for preserving your vision at night and can run for 11 hours and 35 minutes. Red and blue flashing mode is 3 lumens, great for emergency situations. RGB light is 2 lumens, great for when you need to create a fun atmosphere. And finally, Aurora mode is 2 lumen, and this one is great for creating a romantic atmosphere. And now let's see what comes in the box. You get the HL17R headlamp, quick release headband, body clip, USB-C charging cable, and the manual. And what powers the HL17R is a built-in 1000 mAh battery that gives you 96 hours and 50 minutes of runtime on eco mode. That's more than 4 days of continuing lighting. And when it's time to recharge it, it's rechargeable by USB-C charge port. So you can use the same cable you use to charge your phone to charge it. And of course, let's not forget about the battery indicator that helps you know how much juice left and when it's time to recharge. Operating the HL17R is simple and intuitive. If it's locked, just rotate the lens to the main light. It will power on the last output level you were using, thanks to its smart memory. Press the power button to cycle through eco, low, medium, high, and back to eco. Rotate the lens further to switch to the ring light mode, which also remember your last setting. Press the power button to cycle through reading mode, red light, red and blue flashing, RGB light, and Aurora, and back to reading mode. To enable the gesture control, hold the gesture button until it blinks 4 times. A blue indicator will flash when it's active, and to turn it off, hold the button again. And if you want to power it off without locking it, just hold the power button for half a second. And to turn it back on, press the power button again. If you're looking for a compact, multi-purpose headlamp with plenty of personality, then the Fenix HL17R is an awesome value. It packs 500 lumen and throw over 100 yards, plus a unique ring light with fun modes. This isn't just a flashlight, it's versatility. Wear it, clip it, or stick it magnetically to any surface with more than 96 hours of runtime. And it's built tough, so it's ready for whatever adventure throws your way. Small, lightweight, only 2.3 ounces, and full of features. The HL17R is made for both work and play, whether you're lighting a trail, signaling for help, or just making campsite look awesome. So, what's your favorite feature? Drop it in the comments below.